Hi everyone, my name is Alexey. Welcome to my every week trading school where we speak about principle of trading and we speak on that thing what help you make more money and be more profitable. Before we speak about basic principle in the market, and I hope you understood all what I told, and now I will speak this maybe second part before election, but now we will speak about indicator, and that indicator what can help you be more right than false, and its indicator is volume. Why volume so interesting? Because just volume is showing to you how many money was before deal. Every contract cost money, and that how many contract was before deal, and if it was more bigger, it's interesting because all we came to the market make the money, and all we make money from money. We put money, buy something contract, something currency, but we do it just for make money, for make profit. And if we buy 100 contract and somebody bought 1000, who will interesting? That who make 1000, because we invest $1,000, he invested 1 million, and that who bigger, that has more powerful in next movement. And I don't use any indicator because they can give you 100% true information. Just volume show you how many was in deal. In forex maybe you can't see volume, but in real market, in futures market, you can see it and you can analyze it and make very profitable deal. In example, I will show you how it work and why it work. Go to example. In first example, I show you difference between chart with simple volume indicator and that what I use. We see simple chart with bar and volume. In every bar we can open, close, high, low, and volume, how many contract, how many lots was on this 5-minute time frame. Where was this volume? This volume we don't know. This volume, who knows where it was, because this chart is cannot give you this information. He show you just accumulation on all bar, all time frame. You can see it on more deep on 1 minute time frame, it will for 1 minute time frame, but here on 5-minute time frame you can see just the accumulation. Somewhere here was all this volume by 5 minutes. Where was this volume? This volume we don't know. This volume, who knows where it was, because this chart is cannot give you this information. He show you just accumulation on all bar, all time frame. You can see it on more deep on 1 minute time frame, it will for 1 minute time frame, but here on 5-minute time frame you can see just the accumulation. Somewhere here was all this volume by 5 minutes. This chart can help to us understand why happened this reversal. Look, price go down by trend. Why we receive this reversal and price go to up? What can give to us more deep analysis information? With that platform what I use, you can see more information about buyer or seller. Look, we will speak now about this part reversal part. It's interesting. What we can see on more deep analysis in that platform what I use. It's Wolfix, and this is cluster. This is the same reversal formation, but on every 5-minute cluster we can see how many contract, how many lots, what was in the every price. Every price we can analyze it, and this is show to us what was inside in every bar. Let's take our reversal formation one more time. This situation is the same time frame, the same period, the same instrument, but we can see details, and we now will see, we can see why price receive reversal. Not here was reversal was here because some buyer connect to this instrument on bottom. This short movement was what here happened. All this green on and red is just simple limit, special limit. It doesn't show buyer or seller. No, it's just after 15,000 it's green, after 20,000 it's red. And if you didn't saw my before video about market, about buyer and seller, I recommend you see it. You can look it and understand what I mean. In every deal we have end buyer and seller. What we see? We can see here that price have reversal not here but here, because buyer open position here, and here was just protection this level, and this protection is important for us. Here we don't know where was this volume, because bar show you just open, close, high, low and all, and any candle analysis, any volume spread analysis can show you it, can give you chance open here with buyer who protect his position. But on understanding volume we can see it. Here was protection, here was signal for us open position. If you use volume analysis, not VSA, it's just volume, because volume is more important in the market. Just volume show you buyer, what powerful was buyer or seller. As a result, we can see movement to up. Go to second example, gold. First picture is simple chart gold, and it was couple of weeks ago, and I think you remember this situation. It was on bottom in range. I told about my long here. I did my long here, but interesting situation was here. Price went down, and after that receive support from buyer, and we have here some rollback, pulse rollback, and all this was test this zone. And why this interesting? This interesting because on volume analysis we can see why price go to up. And now I will show you just this point when we received support, real support, not visual line support, and the money support. And here, look what was here. Here was protection. Yes, it started here. It started here. make some support zone, but final position was here, and all this was protection before this zone. And what was after that? After that, price will rise. Look, here was protection and price went to new maximum. How we can use it? Find long here with volume analysis or with simple chart, but with confirmation on less time frame. About it I will tell on some next video, but now just about volume. Why volume? Because volume is make movement. Just volume, just buyer or seller, and this is part of before lection about what make movement in the market. Buyer here, buyer was here. Yes, some seller was also here, but who is winner? Buyer, and what it protected? Before zone. And that's why volume in test is more important than something, this volume or this. But look, here volume also make the resistance zone, not some line, not some channel. It's real volume make resistance, and real volume make balance in the market. Thank you for watching me. If you have some question, you can be free for write it on comments for this video. Thank you for watching me. Subscribe to me, and we will meet on next video, on next trading school teaching video. Have a good profit day. Have a good profit trading.